Now for us, being close to Jesus is a spiritual matter. It's not physical proximity. And we develop a closeness to Jesus by spending time in the Word. We learn who Jesus is by reading about Him in the Bible. We also spend time in prayer. And one of the purposes of prayer is to align our hearts with the heart of Jesus and our will to His will. Spending time in the Word and in prayer helps us recognize when Jesus is speaking to us, because we learn what His voice sounds like. But today's message is about how God's love guides us. Can a guide be effective if you're not around to receive guidance? Can a guide be effective if you're not listening? If the Sherpa tells you stay away from that ridge line, but you think, this is a good place for a selfie, you might suddenly find yourself falling away from your guide. If you're not listening to your GPS, you might miss your turn. And then it's not the GPS's fault that you've got to make a U-turn. What did Jesus tell His disciples? Follow me. And so over the course of 3 years, these disciples went where Jesus went. They watched how He engaged with people. They saw how He prayed. And they saw how He taught. He was personally guiding them to a place where they would be ready to minister in His name after He ascended to heaven.